Okay, here is a brand new Luxaire central air conditioning unit. It replaced a 2014 Goodman unit with a Bristol reciprocating compressor. This one's actually from 2021 and it's a 3-ton. Has an LG scroll compressor. .13's here. And of course it has micro channel coils. Piece of junk. And I am at the Flower Shop HVAC units that I have filmed at before. And not too long ago I actually filmed another new Luxaire, which is located right there, that replaced a 2002 Heil unit. Looks like another one has gotten replaced since. But yeah, just thought I'd get a new video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.